In this quick video, I am going to show you how to use assembly codes in Marvel Rivals. Start by launching Marvel Rivals and navigating to the main menu. Once you are there, press the gear icon or the option button on your controller to open the setting menu. Select Community and then head over to the Hero Assembly event. Here you will find your unique assembly code. Make sure to copy this code as you will be sharing it with your friends. Now let's go over how the assembly codes work. Share your code with friends who are new to the game. The great part is that your code can be reused with multiple friends. Once your friend reaches level 10, both of you will benefit. You will receive a special reward of 30 units. Just keep in mind that the reward can only be claimed once per friend. That's the whole process of using assembly codes in Marvel Rivals. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.